So you can see right here that in one of the affiliate programs I've promoted, I've been able to generate $29,000 with $520, still a reserve coming in the next few weeks. And what I'm gonna do inside this video is I'm literally gonna reveal a totally free 10-minute method anyone can do to copy and paste your way to affiliate commissions, even if you don't wanna show your face and even if you don't have a following online. So if you're excited to learn this entire step-by-step method, be sure to smash the like button right now to let me know. And let's go ahead and dive in right now. Now, before I get to the method, I wanna invite you to actually follow my TikTok. I'm gonna include a link directly below. The reason is I'm actually taking your questions and I'm answering them in these simple videos, okay? So if you ever have any questions, you can go to my TikTok, you can comment under the videos, and I will take your questions that you want answered, and I will answer them in my next TikTok videos to help you get the answers and results you truly desire. So with all that being said, the first step with this powerful method is we want to go to a site called 𝐿𝐿.com, okay? And all the links referenced in this video are going to be down below. 𝐿𝐿 is a little known secret website that most people don't know about. And what this site does is it shares with you products that are going to be launching soon in the upcoming weeks. Now, why is this important? Because what you want to understand is when it comes to affiliate marketing, if you can learn when products are about to launch and you can create content, whether that's a video or an article, targeting the product keyword, okay, the name of the product, you can get ahead of other people. And once it launches, you will be able to get a flood of massive traffic going to that piece of content, ultimately leading to your affiliate link and generating massive sales. Now, don't worry, you're not gonna have to put your face out there. Like I said, it's actually totally copy paste. So what you wanna do on 𝐿𝐿, they have the big launches and they have all launches. Now, the big launches are typically when the product creator has a very large email list or when they're gonna pay you a good amount. As you can see, $297. So you can look at the big launches, but if you wanna do this method and you're just getting started, you can also look at all launches. So this is gonna depend on what time you're watching this video, but it's always gonna share with you products that are launching in a few days to a few weeks. So what you wanna do is you wanna pick one that's gonna launch at least tomorrow, okay? Don't do one that's gonna launch today because you don't really have enough time to rank the content, as you'll see. But what we wanna do is we want to find something. So this is gonna be actually tomorrow, okay? So I can find one of these products. So you can see this one right here is going to be, $27 at 50%. Now you can see that the W+ icon means that this product is listed on the Warrior Plus affiliate marketplace, and this one's on JVZoo. So both of those work really well. I'm actually going to open this up right here. Whenever you see a product that's gonna launch in a day or two, open that up. Again, we wanna look at, so the average commission is going to be $27, or that's the price, and then the average commission is 50%. Okay, so that would be about $12 or so, $13, which is not bad, okay, for this method. And what we want to do is we want to open up the JV page whenever we find a product, and we want to click get your link, because what this is going to do is this going to allow us to get our affiliate link of this product that's launching soon so we can get a massive amount of sales. Okay, so because this product's listed on Warrior Plus, it's telling you to sign in or register. Now, if you don't have an account with Warrior Plus, it's actually totally free to join. You can go ahead and register. I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign in. Okay, so I logged in, and the first thing it's going to say is typically you must be approved. So we just want to request approval. That's why, again, it's important to pick a product launching in a few days so you have time to actually get approved. Now, request notes, you can add some notes in there to improve your chances of getting approved to promote this product. So I can say something like, I am an experienced online marketer and would love to promote your product to my list. Okay, something like that, request offer. And then again, within an hour or two, sometimes up to a day, you should get approved. Now, once you get approved, you'll actually just come back here and you'll be able to see your affiliate link. And then we can actually copy that to a notepad file like this, and you will be able to use this method. Now, for the sake of this video, I will just use google.com. Let's pretend that this is my affiliate link after I got approved, and I'll share with you how you would use this method. So the next thing you want to realize is because this product is launching soon, what will happen is once this this product launches, affiliate marketers will start promoting this product to their email list, to their audience. And that audience is gonna be skeptical, okay? They're gonna wonder, is this legit? And they're gonna start to go to YouTube and Google looking for reviews. So what people are gonna do is they're gonna take the name of this product, they're gonna go to Google, okay? And they're gonna type in the name followed by reviews. And what's gonna happen is people are gonna start looking. Now you can see right here, people have already started reviewing this. So this one is 16 hours ago. So what we wanna do is we wanna find someone's review, okay? And we wanna open it up like this, because what this is you can see, so someone has actually created this website and they're giving a review of this upcoming product. So again, when someone sends an email promoting this product, when this launches in a day or so, people are gonna come to this page, they're gonna read it, and this person is basically gonna recommend this product and they're gonna include their affiliate link. So now how do we actually create a page just like this so we can siphon massive targeted traffic to our website and start to get tons of sales whenever this product launches? Well, what you can do is you can go to Google and you can search in Google Sites. Now this is another little known site that's totally free, and what you can do is go here and you can just click blank, and what this does is this creates a blank website. Now you can actually start to create this. So the first thing we want to do for the title is we want to type in the name of this product, okay, web page. We want to type in the name of this product followed by review. Now we can go ahead and make this a lot bigger, play around with it a little bit. I can drag this, okay? I can make it centered like that. I can also change the font, okay? If I want to, make it different like that, I can change the text color. You just want to play around, but that's looking pretty good. Now what we want to do is we want to insert a text box by just clicking there. And what you want to do, again, rather than having to write all this review yourself, what you can do, you don't just want to copy and paste this to your site because, it's plagiarizing and that's not good. What you can do is go to another free tool, and all the things are going to be down below in the description, all the links, spinbot.com. And what this does is if you actually take this, if I copy most of this here, I can go to Spinbot, I can paste that in, and I can hit basic spin. And what that does is that literally spins the text. So what it does is it changes it slightly. So you can see introduction, web page review, presentation, web page review. So you can see, firstly, you have to know what is this web page. First and foremost, you need to realize what is this web page. So it makes it different without you having to write it yourself. So then you just copy text, you go back to your Google sites and you just paste it in, okay, like this. Okay, do you see how simple this actually is? And then you can make this bigger, and you can, change this again, make this bold, you can center it, make it slightly better looking, okay? But this is basically it, okay? So you can see right here, in the way Google works, the way you can rank these different sites on Google is by putting keywords. So the fact that web page review and cons, you can make that the title, web page review, okay? So once you publish this will start ranking and showing up into Google. And because this is Google Sites, Google likes its own platform. So it will favor this in the search engine and it will start showing your website here. And because you're doing this before it launches, there's very little competition and your website can start ranking right here first. So once this product launches in a day or so and people start researching reviews, they will see your link. And then the last thing you want to do is you want to, at the very end, you want to type in, my verdict. Okay, this is where we're actually going to give our call to action. We're going to recommend that people buy this product, okay? And this is how we're going to be making tons of money very passively and very automatically. So we want to make this here, and then you can say something like, all in all, I believe this is a good product worth buying. Click here to access it now. Okay, something like that. And then what you can do is once you get your affiliate link here, okay, so let's say google.com, that's our affiliate link. Once you get your affiliate link, all you would do is highlight this link here, go to this little, paper clip, put that in, apply, and now it's clickable. And now all you have to do is click publish, and you can make the web address, to make it even more likely to rank, we can go ahead and take the name of it, okay, and make that the name of the domain. So web page. Now, if it's already taken, you can say web page 1. Okay, just add a number. to make it unique. Publish, view, just so you can see what this looks like. Web page review. Welcome to my web page review. You know, it gives valuable information. Then at the bottom, click here to access it now. They'll click here, it takes them to our affiliate link, and they will decide to buy. This is incredibly powerful. Again, it's gonna start showing up here. Now, how do you scale this method? Do more products, okay? Go back to Munchai. You can literally crank out tons of these. They have endless products launching. You can see for weeks. This method takes 10 minutes. You could do one a day and you could get tons of passive traffic for months and months to come. So if you liked this method and you want me to make more step-by-step strategies, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe with the bell icon. I have way more strategies coming. I haven't even scratched the surface. Last but not least, before you get going, be sure to follow me on TikTok. And also when you're on TikTok, comment under one of my videos a question you want answered about affiliate marketing. It could be related to traffic, how to have the right mindset, how to get leads on specific platforms. I'm gonna be answering these questions in upcoming videos and you don't wanna miss out. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching and I will see you on my next video.